乖。
I think she respected that from the minute shoes. She feels, in a way, she also feels threatened, right? Like she in the video, she said she never had someone critique her.
Hi guys, welcome back to my English vlog. Today is Saturday and I just finished my training. I'm still in the school, but it doesn't matter because later I'm going to go to the Kate Cafe with some of my friends, which is make me super excited. Yeah, I booked the Cake Cafe 2 weeks ago. They are quite popular actually, so I just can't wait to see some cakes there. And also I'm going to bring you guys along with me. So let's start my Saturday.
I walked in your love like a hotel lobby. Took all of my pictures before the city forgot me. Love comes so easy and you've got so many friends. They throw parties in the ballroom of the hotel that you live in. If I could stay, things would never be the same. If I could stay, but you live in a hotel on a mountain. Thanks for gracing us with your time. My friends with a doorman, I ate breakfast in bed.
我们又合体了吗？我们长得不一样哦。
我比较漂亮，她
眼睛打开就知道谁漂亮。But you live in a hotel on a mountain. Thanks for gracing us with your time. Thanks for gracing us with your time. Thanks for letting us come inside. Time to say goodbye.
Hello guys, today is Monday and I have a magazine interview tonight at 8 p.m. and now it's 7:52, so I need to quickly get ready, set up my laptop and yeah, and start my interview.
这一次的访问跟上一次其实是有点不一样，就上一次的话是我们的专题，那么这一次是属于一个话题，就是我们会问，那么就先从你认为你来到了之后，在吃一方面，你觉得最容易是哪一方面？最让你觉得没有什么难度，或者是说需要一点点努力就可以克服的？
我不知道这点算不算呢？因为就是 来到新加坡的时候，就是我会发现，在跟安迪跟安哥讲话的时候，就通常都可以用华语嘛，对不对？所以我看到他们的时候，我通常就会跟他们讲华语。然后我发现。Hi guys, I just come back from work. Today is 29 March, it's first day of new SMM. Let me share some point of the change SMM. The first is for today's onward, our maximum group size doubled from 5 to 10, which means that we can meet more friends at one time. Yay! Other thing is about mask wearing. Mask wearing outdoor will be option. But today I didn't really see people not wearing masks outside. I still saw a lot of the people wearing masks, including me. I don't know, when I saw the new rules come out, I didn't really feel excited. Oh no, maybe a little bit excited cause that means things is getting better. But I think I just too used to wearing masks. So suddenly, without the mask, I feel very nervous. I don't know what you guys thought. Anyway, I want to do a quick taste test before dinner. I just got these two guai guai. It's one of my favorite Taiwan snack. Because of its name, in Taiwan, we usually will place a bag of guai guai on or around the machine to make sure the machines continue to do their job. I brought two flavors, which is I never tried before. Yeah, so I'm going to try with you guys together. First one is salt and pepper. Second one is bentong flavor. I think I will like to try salt and pepper first. Smell like popcorn chicken. Ooh, it's slightly smaller than the original one. The original guai guai is bigger. Okay, I'm going to try it. I only like sweet flavor of guai guai, but this one I'm okay. I feel the paper is really tastes very nice. After you eat, will come out from your throat here. Yeah, it's really nice. I will finish later. Okay, second one. Let's open it. Wow, I can smell it already. Oh, it looks different. This one's longer. The smell of that first one is smaller. The second one, first one. Okay, I'm going to eat now. I need to say, this not taste really like bentong, but it's similar like char shao, yeah, the pork. Tastes still really good, yeah, but I think I like the first one more. Yeah. Hello guys, I just finished my morning workout and waiting for the shower. I think I will go out to find some clothes in the afternoon because we have the staycation plan for next week and our girls have dress code. Yeah, so I think I will go and find some clothes for staycation. Yeah, that's today's goal.